Okay, for today, the homework worksheet is called Multiplying Binomials Day 2. This is not multiplying binomials. It's multiplying a monomial times a binomial. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
All right, and this one is as simple as somebody was saying before. It's just 5x squared, and then what's that one make? Plus 15. That's all there is to it. Okay, please don't just blurt stuff out if it isn't about what we're doing. Okay, so that's an easy one, right? What if there was two things here and two things there? Then my advice is to do like this. Don't write this one down. Just watch. You would go this times this, and this times that, and then don't forget to do the other one times this and the other one times that. All right, so there's actually 4 parts. All right, now that you've seen what I just suggested, do this. The first one I would do is the one that's kind of on the inside there. Try multiplying that part out, just the top part, the 2 times the x and the 2 times the negative 7, and then go back and do the other part, and then add all 4 parts up. I'm going to pause while you give this one a try. This is still review. All right, so did you get 2x plus, minus 14? Raise your hand if you had that. Okay, good. How about the other part? X times x? X squared. X times negative 7? Negative 7x. Very good. That and that now are alike terms.
Negative 5x.
You are correct. So this is x squared, negative 5x, and negative 14. Now, that's all there is to multiplying binomials. Okay, now, what happens when we write it different like this? Well, then some people think, oh, you just square both things. And this, honestly, in my honors classes at the high levels, like, juniors, they'll say, oh, it's x squared plus 9. And no, it's not. It is not that simple. Because what x plus 3 squared means is times itself. Do you get that that's what squared means? Times by itself. So it means x plus 3 times x plus 3. So there isn't just 2 parts to your answer. There's 4 parts to your answer, which you can then add together. When it's all done, it'll be a trinomial. So it's the exact same thing, it's just written different. And the cool part is, if it says squared, that means it's the same identical thing. Both of you guys stop talking to each other. Just stop. Okay, so that squared means times itself. Everybody do that one, please, and let's see what you get. Do this one. They're the same. That one's and this one are the exact same thing, but this one's ready to be done now. Get out. Okay, what do you think? First, what should I do first? No. You're talking to the guy in the front row. You probably, it seems like you already know this, which is awesome, but I need him to try it. Yes. Is?
3x.
Excellent.
3 times 3.
And that is?
9.
Excellent. Keep going, you're on a roll.
X times x.
Which is?
X to the 7.
Excellent.
And x times 3 is 3x.
Excellent. Now, did you know that those two can go together? Oh, I need to say plus because there was no negatives here. This and this are the same. So put them together, and what do you get?
6x.
6x is right. And then finish it off. 6x goes with what? 2 other things, and we'll have it done.
You do 6x to the third?
Nope. It just, these two together make 6x. You already done with those.
Yeah.
So this and this, can they go together, or? Okay, so then just tell me what the final answer is.
Okay. X to the second plus 6x plus 7.
Perfect. There it is. Raise your hand if you had the same thing. Okay, good. So the only new thing is, what if they show you this? And then they say squared. Don't fall into the trap of just squaring both things and getting a 2-part answer called a binomial. You can't just go this squared and this squared and this squared and be done. That isn't okay. You instead have to multiply it by itself. Do you get what I'm saying?
Yeah, I got it.
All right, so then you don't have to do this one. I just was trying to show you how. So now, try this one. With no calculator, this is just you and this problem one-on-one. That's it. I'm going to pause for a second while you give that one a try. So here we go. If you have x plus 2 squared, you should have said it was x plus 2 times x plus 2, because that's what squared means. And then you should have done 2 times x, 2x. 2 times 2, 4. Then you should have got smart and went to the other one, x times x, x squared. Why did I put it in front? Because it has more power. The ones that have the biggest power should go in front. And then the 2 times, or the x times the 2 is 2x. Now I could squeeze it in here, but it'd be easier to just write it there. And this is the positive one again. Final answer, x squared plus 4x plus 4. That's a trinomial of degree 2 with a lead coefficient of 1, because there's no number there, so there's a 1 there. Remember how this is degree? And this is the lead coefficient. All right, so that is all about multiplying binomials. And the day 2 thing is where you just see them like this, and you got to know that means 2 of them identical times each other. All right, I'm going to pause while I hand out the works. So we are skipping number 13, and this is, by the way, for anybody at home today, is multiplying binomials day 2. And on this year's copy, it was purple paper in 2017 in the spring. I actually call it the winter, I think, still. It's still February, isn't it? Yeah. Anyway, so you are skipping 13. You are also skipping 19. That's correct. No, another one that I often have you skip? 6. Skip number 6. And no, I never have you skip 14. That's a good number. There's no 30. Oh, no, 3 is a really good number. 4 is the death number. I'm going to skip that one. You know, in actually 2 different cultures, China and Japan, the number 4, when you pronounce it, sounds like death. And so that is considered an unlucky number. Do you know which ones are considered a fortunate number in China?
1.
8. 8. Don't try to imitate. That's not the right language anyways. Okay, so anyway, 7 is a lucky number. We're not going to skip that. We're going to do that. In fact, I'll do that right now. Look at number 7. Yes, the skips, just to clarify one last time, where number 6 was a skip, number 9 was a skip, number 13 was a skip, number 19 was a skip. Yes. No. Oh, yes, I did say 4. I'm sorry, you can skip number 4 also. Okay, that's enough of them. Unless it's about doing problem 7, please wait. Thank you. Okay, number 7, 4x minus 9 being times by 4x minus 2. My advice has always been to start here and go this times this. Now, I know if there's any math teachers watching this, you might be asking me, why aren't you doing FOIL, first, outside, inside, last? But I know that many of you have been taught that way before, and it didn't work. And this way will work just as well in the long run. It'll get you the right answers. So this times this made negative 9 times 4, 36. Very good. And then this times this, positive or negative, first of all? Positive 18 is correct. We've got a genius at this stuff in the back row. Okay, but please don't say any more for a while, because I got to get some other people's participation. How about this one? This times this. 4x times 4x. And please don't say 4x squared. It's close, but it's not right. 16x squared is correct, because 4 times 4 is 16, right? And lastly, that times that. 4x times negative 2, these two. What do you get for that? Negative 8x. Now I got to figure out what goes together. And to my eyes, that and that are like terms. So put those together, and they're both on the negative team. So some people get confused by that. They're not going to fight, though. They're not going to cancel each other. It's just going to be a big group of negatives. Negative 40-something. Don't say it. You figure it out. And then there's an 18 left. So negative 40-something x is your key term. And I'm going to leave it at that. Okay, so that's the idea for today. If they say squared, that means times themselves. Like, would you look at number 16? Look at number 16. See how it says squared? That means times itself. So you write it out twice. It's two binomials times themselves. So number 16. H plus 1, H plus 1. Yep. Okay. Get to work. That's all I got for you for today.
Mr. Trevor,
Yes.
I'll be here